But for this lion, I actually want his head to be tilted like this. Okay, so he's like a toy lion. It's just a stuffed lion that's got his head to the side. To do that, it's actually going to be an optical illusion. So what we're going to do is we're going to tilt. Instead of putting it on straight, we're going to tilt it to make it look like his head, because it's a ball that, you know, when you tilt it, it's still a ball. So when I put it on, I'm going to tilt it. So I have to look at it to do it, unfortunately. Let me put a little sugar glue on this. Okay. And so you can see how I've tilted it. See how one end is lower than the other end? That's all you got to do. It's still straight in the front, it's just tilted. Okay, so press that on. And then what I need to do is whiskers and the mouth and the little line that goes to his nose. So that's like a W. So figure his nose is going to be up toward the top here. Okay, so I just did a rough drawing of where I thought it would be. Okay, and then the whiskers. Are just like that. Okay, so let's indent that a little bit more with my tool. And I'm a little shaky. Okay. And then we need the dark yellow. Let me grab it. Where is it? Oh, it's over here. To make his nose. I actually have some dark yellow already in the bag. So here's some dark yellow. So make a ball, flatten it a little bit, and then you want to pinch there so that it's like a triangle with a rounded top. And then we're going to just paste it right up at the top here. Okay, and I need to see it. Yeah, there we go. That's cute. I think I'm going to put some stitching around his muzzle here. So, and again, this is really hard to do when I'm not in front of it. Make sure you have your cake in front of you and you're not trying to do like me. And I think I'm going to put some stitching around this nose too. You can see that. All right, so now we need to work on his eyes and his ears. The ears are going to be out of the same color. Let's do that next. Let's do his ears. They are about 1.5 inches. Let me see. Ears. I got to get my notes. 1-inch ball. Yep, I thought so. So they're about 1-inch ball. Okay, so I got a nice smooth ball here, and then you're just going to put your thumb in it, like so. Kind of like making thumbprint cookies. So they got kind of a rim here. They end up being about 1.5 inches, I believe, or somewhere about there. But what we want to do is we want to actually make little flares on his ears. So we're going to take my scissors here. And you're going to do a couple snips, just like so. Like 3 of them. Okay? We want 2 of those. And then we're going to insert a toothpick in them. Okay? And then when you make the one for the other side, put the little fur tufts on the other side. Okay? We're not done yet. But wait, there's more. So for the ivory, we're going to roll it out, and this is where we're going to grab our crinkle cutters for our circle. Take one and they all come. Okay, so I think it would be this size. Yeah. So this is a 1-inch crinkle cutter. It doesn't have to be this set, obviously. I mean, everybody makes these, so whatever you've got, approximately 1 inch. You can fudge the sizes. So roll this out nice and thin. All right, and crinkle cut it like so. Now we want to get the stitching on his ear. Long tool. So we're going to do stitching around it. And then we want to get this piece on. A little bit of glue. Like so. Okay. So that's it. Make 2. Make sure you get the little tufts on the other side. And then again, when we put these on, I'm not going to put them on just yet, but when we put them on, you got to make sure you tilt them. Because remember, his head is tilted now, so one ear is going to be up and the other ear is going to be off to the side. So one will be up here and one will be off here because it'll be tilted. His head is tilted. Okay, that's an illusion. All right, so we'll just make the other ear. Okay, so let's go on to the eyes.